Who really owns America's debt? And what happens if they start selling it? Let's take a quick look at the global game of U.S. Treasuries and what it means for interest rates, the dollar, and the U.S. economy. So, who holds U.S. debt? As of early 2025, foreign nations hold over $8 trillion in U.S. Treasury securities. That is out of $29 trillion of debt held by the public. The top 10 holders include Japan $1.1 trillion, China $784 billion, United Kingdom $750 billion, Cayman Islands $418 billion, Luxembourg $413 billion, Canada $406 billion, Belgium $395 billion, France $354 billion, Ireland $339 billion, and Taiwan $295 billion. These countries invest in U.S. bonds for safety and liquidity. But what if that trust changes? How much interest is the U.S. government paying on all of this debt? Annual interest payments have already exceeded $1 trillion. This amount exceeds what is spent for the defense budget. What about the maturity wall? In the next 12 months, over $7 trillion in U.S. debt will mature. If foreign holders decide to roll it over, markets stay stable. But if they sell or even stop buying, the U.S. may face higher yields and tighter financial conditions, trade, geopolitics, and retaliation. These holdings aren't just financial, they're geopolitical. Countries like China or Japan can use U.S. debt as leverage in trade negotiations. A major sell-off could send interest rates soaring and hurt U.S. consumer borrowing and economic growth. What can the U.S. do? If foreign buyers retreat, what are the U.S. government's options? The Federal Reserve could buy Treasuries, essentially, monetizing the debt. The U.S. could let the dollar weaken to reduce the real value of repayment. Some even raise the question, could U.S. citizens be pushed to absorb more debt through forced savings or tax incentives? Let's wrap this up. Is this a looming crisis or a manageable challenge? That depends on demand, confidence, and how the U.S. manages its fiscal house. Stay tuned. We'll go deeper on each part of this puzzle in future videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Market Atlas.